What God says stands.
You called for me.
Yes, I sent for you. I'm off to London tomorrow morning. I wanted to inform you. But it is between you and I. No one else has to know. Although I intend to talk to my parents about it this evening. It has to be between us. I'll be away for 1 year and 6 months.
Oh, it's okay. That's fine. You sure you don't want to tell your parents about it? And your wife as well?
That's what I want. Although I intend to speak to my parents about it, but I'll have to decide first. But that's by the way. I'll be away for 1 year and 6 months.
Okay. I wish you safe journey.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.